privileged and honored to invite all of my esteemed panelists, who each of them representing the who's who of Indian manufacturing industry, from legendary organizations such as the Pidilite Industries, Forbes Marshall, and the Mahindra Group's Mahindra Farm sector divisions. Today's topic of discussion for this afternoon is about learning how digital-led transformation is enabling manufacturing industry to deliver greater efficiencies, new operating models, and also for the new normal for us all to focus on ESG mandates to deliver on sustainability-led focused growth. I'd like to engage my panelists to first get to hear from each one of them in their leadership roles, how they're seeing the vision for their organization for the technology and digital investments, what are their core priorities over the next couple of years, and where exactly are they investing to reap the biggest rewards for not only for their internal organization stakeholders, but also for their extended ecosystem, such as their partners, their customers, and the end users themselves. I'm quite keen to hear from each one of them and learn a lot because we have immense expertise from each one of them.